Yo, this is Mike, your coder from Portugal's tech scene. Suno Pro's my beat, let's code the dream. Class in session, Python's a script to learn. Grab your keys, watch algorithms turn. Welcome to code class, Python sets the tone. Simple syntax flows, a programmer's zone. Early bugs hit, indentation through a fight. Loops went wild, logic lost its sight. Zen of Python guided Pep 8 and play. Students master this, hustle's your way. Python's my class with self-attributes I mold. Def functions bind and loops, my tale is told. Lists with the pen, digs my data whole. Try, accept, catches, errors I control. Debug with print, through code I climb bold. Class run the script, Python's pure gold. Libraries rolled in, Numpy broke the mold. Flop my matrix, data uncontrolled. Pandas cleaned the mess, frameworks took flight. Django built my web, power in sight. Open source strength, community's grand. Hustle your skills, class, take a stand. Data science lag, plots refuse to show. Matplotlib crashed, insights too slow. Scikit learn stepped up, models aligned. Machine learning soared, predictions designed. Visualization bridged the analytical gap. Students chart this rise, hustle's your map. Python's my class with self-attributes I mold. Def functions bind and loops, my tale is told. Lists with the pen, digs my data whole. Try, accept, catches, errors I control. Debug with print, through code I climb bold. Class run the script, Python's pure gold. Scripts went haywire, automation stalled. Syntax errors mocked, my progress crawled. Essential saved the day, task in flow. Automation reigned, efficiencies glow. Threading locked in performance, now sound. From bugs to brilliance, mastery I found. Pause, coders, errors crept in. Indentation woes, a debugging sin. Pep guidelines shape the coding line. Python's clarity, logic divine. This error's code base, I'm the prof's decree. Python's depth, your programming key. Future script stalled, quantum hints swayed. Syntax twist faulted, logic decayed. AI integrations rose, libraries in play. Python's frontier, coding's new day. Open source horizons, community lore. Students chase this, explore more. Python's my class with self-attributes I mold. Def functions bind and loops, my tale is told. Lists with the pen, digs my data whole. Try, accept, catches, errors I control. Debug with print, through code I climb bold. Class run the script, Python's pure gold. Rate me 1 to 10, did this lesson spark? Check my other music and code